Offer consistent quality and proactive communication so every client wants to hire you again and tell their neighbors. Focus on delivering work that is both durable and predictable by standardizing processes for each type of concrete job. Create simple checklists for site preparation, mix and pour temperatures, finishing times, and curing methods so your crew repeats the same high standard every time. Train 1 or 2 crew leads to be the client point of contact so messages are clear and timelines are met and the customer feels attended to. Track project details in a single project file that records dates, mix designs, joint layouts, reinforcement, change orders, and photos so follow-up conversations are precise and trustworthy. Offer small, timely extras like a photographed maintenance guide, joint sealer application schedule, or a seasonal inspection to protect the investment and remind customers you care. Ask for a referral at project completion and make it easy by offering a short referral card or a templated email they can send to friends. The common mistakes are promising unrealistic timelines and then changing the schedule, which frustrates clients, so communicate realistic windows and give daily updates to maintain trust. Another issue is failing to document decisions and change orders, which creates billing disputes, so get signed confirmations and dated photos before starting any extra work. Many companies neglect aftercare, so customers forget you too quickly, so schedule a follow-up call and offer a simple inspection or maintenance tip 90 days after completion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for concrete work with local contractors and helps contractors find jobs by listing services and recent projects. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange advice, post questions, and share reviews so relationships grow into repeat business.